Hi everyone. The Ulta surprise package from Jason came in. So let's see what we got here. I believe this is he said it was the ColourPop collection when he got upset. And he's not gonna feel much better because I believe something is shattered in here. All right, let's start with this one that has the most stuff all over it. I believe what's shattered is this, but we're gonna, okay, this is the Evil Queen collection. This is the ultra glossy lip. Oh, it's definitely a gloss. All right. It's got a Super Shock highlighter. Ooh. And Evil Queen, Fairest of All. Ooh, it's very, very... Ooh, look at that. Wow. And it's so soft. Beautiful. We're opening the palette last because I got a feeling it's broke. And we can't tell him. Oh, this is a nice red. It's not bad. Oh, and I love how it says villains. That is too cute. Okay. That's the first one. That's the Evil Queen one. It looks like it has in the front of each of these. I'm going to end up breaking. This one is the Hades, I believe. Ursula. This one's the Ursula. See, it has a little opening where you can get it. This is the Ursula highlighter in Poor Unfortunate Souls. It's kind of purplish. Oh, and it's so soft. I swear, each of these are so soft. Oh my God. Look at that purple highlight. That is so beautiful and so soft. All right, and the Ursula glossy lip is whitish. It's got like a brush. I love the packaging on these. There's the gloss for Ursula, and the lipstick is broke for Ursula, but you can fix lipsticks, I believe. See if we could get just a little swatcheroo of it. It's like a plum color. I believe you can fix lipsticks. I'm not going to hurt his feelings anymore because he already got disappointed. Let's go ahead and go straight in for the palette to make sure that's not what's broken. But it is. One entire shade is gone. The Pain and Panic shade. Oh, 2 shades are gone. Let me get a... See if we could get... All right, hold on. I'm just trying to clean it up here without getting it into any more shades. What I think I'll do is rebuy this palette on ColourPop, and he'll never have to know. Look at that. Wow. But he was already so heartbroken that I accidentally found out. I don't want him to be heartbroken that he even, when he got the palette, it was broke when I got it in. So we're just gonna, it's gonna be our little secret. Oh my gosh. Ulta, why did you do this to me? Hold on, I'm trying to clean it up as best I can. Okay, now I can show it to you without it dumping everywhere, hopefully. These are the colors. And I will be buying another one so that he doesn't have to know that the one he bought came in broken. And I will probably give this to my mom or my little sister. I mean, or my sister-in-law. I don't know yet. It's crazy. All right. Look at my hands. They're covered in glitter. Okay, but let's see how the shades... Oh, the shades do feel beautiful, though. See? Look at those shimmer shades. It's a really nice palette. Can't wait to get one that's not broke. Shh, don't tell him again it broke. All right. Let's go in with the Cruella. Let's grab this little, where is that little thing at that I used to open the box? Right there. So we will go and order the other one ASAP so he doesn't know. Cruella's broke. Wow. Cruella's broke as well. And when I say Cruella's broke, I mean Cruella's broke. Wow. I probably, yeah. There is nothing left of this. Ulta, what the hell? Sorry, I don't normally talk like that. Okay, all right, I'm not even gonna try to mess with this one. I'm gonna take pictures of this. So let's move on to the next one and hope for the best. The third and final one is Maleficent. Here's praying this one's not broke. Y'all saw me open the box on video. This is how it literally came. The guy literally just brought it to my door. Literally. Like right as I was about to film the video where this look is in. So far, it's not broke yet. Oh my God. So you're telling me only two of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, only 2 came right? Oh my gosh. I can't buy that many. I have to call them. All right, this is the My Pet. Oh my God. I don't think they sell it in stores, so I got to take my chance with them sending it again. Lovely. At least this lipstick is fine. I'm afraid to touch the other one because there's so much stuff everywhere. And there's that. And did I get a chance to... Let's see if we could swatch this. Oh, I did swatch it over there. So at least it's, I mean, they got some beautiful highlights, but Lord, I cannot tell him that this all came in broke, because he is going to be so mad and upset. But he tried, so we're going to fix it for him. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I love y'all. See you in the next one.